And check your Wayne Smith sent us this, introducing us to the antics of Macy the hamster.
I told the witch doctor I was in love with you. I told the witch doctor I was in love with you.
This little hamster belongs to Salt Springs' 10-year-old Maddie Smith. She put a little plastic pumpkin in Macy's cage as a fun decoration about a week ago, and soon noticed her little friend loves putting it on her head and pushing it around. As soon as the family takes it off, the hamster puts it right back in, even pushing it around the house. Out to the video camera and this little production to share this strange little scene with others.
You know, how do you know your hamster is Halloween loving?
And I've heard some music.
Looking for a challenge. Really fun, and so nice to see that people are sharing these videos with us. Some strange things do happen around the family home, don't they? Last quick weather before we go. Go ahead and like this
That was perfect.